Hello, mic check. Show my
Good day
face.
to you.
Show my face. Okay. Back to gaming. Okay, nice. Yeah, just testing a few things. What's up, Manish? Welcome back. The time zone, the time has changed now, so our difference is just 1 hour. So if I stream at 10 p.m. for you guys, it's going to be 9 a.m. So that means we are much more closer. It's not like I would be streaming at 9 p.m. and you'll be like at 7 a.m. I know no one would be waking up that early anyways. So okay. Yeah, 1.5 hour difference. Currently, the difference is 1.5 hours. So I think that's much better than 2.5 hours. Previously, it was 2.5 hours. By this time, it would be 7:30 for you guys normally, but now the time has changed from Eastern to Eastern Daylight. It's a thing in US where from November 2nd to March 27th, the time would be increased into 25 hours a day. It's still 24, but imagine that it's 25. And from March 27th to again November 1st, it would be EST instead of EDT. It's a stupid game. I don't know. Yeah, exactly. I forgot where my coding. Okay, stream assistant, video processor. There were small changes I'm supposed to make. So in the previous code, I was trying to publish in a different way. So the problem is, did my stream actually start? Oh, I'm sure it started. If not, you guys wouldn't be able to watch it. What's the quality? I'm streaming in 1440p, so that looks good. If anyone wants to see a clear text, that's the resolution you would like to watch. So YouTube. So here I would just set it as private and I will manually push those videos myself. The problem being is, imagine I've recorded like 4 videos in this stream and it's shooting all 4 videos at the same time, and I don't think you guys would also appreciate that kind of a spam posting. So I would like, okay, post it to YouTube. I will manually publish it whenever I got time. That's the main idea. And it will be public, and let me turn on the environment. VENV, and it should say scripts activate python main.py. So yeah, the next one is Amazon Auto. The process is still the same. We must need to do a lot of coding in here. Okay. This server needs to be the ultimate backend, I guess. Okay, and it needs a Python code as well. So we go back into the Python, we just do open with code. Cool, everything looks good so far. Okay, so the approach still remains the same. We just have to make some changes. Oh, it wants me to generate a password now. Probably I might have got an email. 1 second. Okay. So, what were we doing? What was I doing? Yes. Yeah, we need this website. Okay, cool. So now we have a dedicated backend here, and we have Golang backend. We also have Cloud DB. What next? So this will be directly posting. This would be posting to the cloud. Fine. And there would be a front end which would be accessing the backend server, and there should be another one which is just a helper function. That's why I would be using a dotted. It would be named as Python server. Honestly, Python server. So Golang would be using this one. So this should go from here to here. Cool. So by this approach, the front end has a direct access of the database. Access DB, which is only read only. This is not a write. It doesn't have a write access. It's only read only access. It's going to read the deals in my database. Hey Jamie, welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome. Hello. What's the idea? So now the only thing which is not working as expected is this Python. It works fine, but it's not really working at its full potential. Let me fix that thing. Okay, so in main.py, oh, this is where it caused issues for me when I was trying to run this. I think it's overwriting the default movie.py, which is already installed. So let's not do that. We have to install everything inside this stupid thing. It would get the deals and it would have to like process it. Switch to Python. Nice. While that's switching, activate. Okay, so what is it? UV run main.py. I'm sure it would not run. I have to fix a lot of things. Hey, thanks for 2 likes. Is that animation working? Did you guys see the animation pop up? It says hello from Python. What? Oh, maybe this is not the one. App.py. Oh, no animation. Why though? It should work fine. I press like. Yeah, I'm not seeing an animation. Looks like something is broken in the backend. I have no idea how can I debug this. I didn't really apply a lot of stats in this. This is what I'm getting from the front end or back end. If the body is up, it should. Maybe let's try manually triggering it. Hello, fun with VJ. Welcome, VJ Gamer. This is working. Then why the like count is not working? The like animation? That's strange. What's with this one? Syntax invalid escape sequence P. Imaginary binary. What? Who is even reusing this? It's real. Okay. For now, is there any other package where I can use instead of this image? And VJ. So it looks like only for my channel I'm using this @ I watched some other YouTubers who are gaming related YouTubers. They weren't getting the @ usernames, they were getting the normal names. Feels bad, but it is what it is. What kind of image? What version do I have? I'm searching for my specs. I don't find them. To my understanding, whenever someone likes, it recognizes it. Or maybe someone disliked it. The kiss animation is working fine. Thank you. Okay, that's working. What is my wireless microphone? Okay. That thing is working. Then what is the other thing which is not working? Is the speak command working?
At Banecodes says,
That
yellow
works.
yellow.
That works. So the GIF command is working, the speak command is working. It's just the like one which is not working. I'm switching accounts. So it knows that I have gotten 5 likes. Did I mess up something with my database? Does it have username first or? CTL status alert dot service. Shivam Chaudhary, welcome to the stream. You seem new. So yeah, nothing. Currently this is the main purpose of the stream. There is this Golang, React and Python application. It was working fine few days ago, but looks like the version conflicts and environment issues is occurring. And then the other one is the one which I'm currently debugging is my bot. If you notice, there is a Relangi Mama bot which currently inviting you to my stream. The verbiage, it says guess who's the new kid in the block. So there is a smart bot in my YouTube channel where it records what's happening in my stream, the number of people, the number of comments I got in this stream, what are the commands people used in this stream, the number of likes, etc, and also it keeps a track of all your messages in my stream, not just messages, the interactions also. Give it some time. So this is you, Shivam Chaudhary. It knows that you joined today and this is your first stream and this is the last stream where you left a comment on, and this was your first comment, was the code about, and this is also your last comment. So this is the bot, which also does one more thing, which is when you like my stream, something happens. There is an animation occurs, but it looks like that's not working. I was working a few days ago. Everything else is working. The GIF commands is working fine, something like this. This is how you use the GIF command. I type something and you see. So it's not like the entire bot is down, a specific section is not working. It's true that I also changed some layouts in my OBS, whether now it's not finding the what do you call it, action or animation, I don't know. Let me open my the terminal to see what's up with it. Guess what, I don't find my likes animation. But what happened? I don't find my animation at all in the list. Did I remove it accidentally or? I think I have removed it accidentally. I have no memory of removing it myself, but we don't know. We have no idea. Maybe I'll just scroll in the other list. Maybe if I have it. No research stream. No, I cannot find it. There are other cool stuff. You can try Shivam. There is speak command. I think you can use it. It costs 1 point. Basically 0 points. You post a comment, you get 1 point, but it's a speak command, it goes down, so it's 0, no loss, no profit. So you can try using it. It's a fun command. Where is coding stream assistant? So it should be alerts. Where is it? Alerts, and then streamer what? Stream database, no, static routes stream. Which one has it? Been a while I have worked on this. I don't really remember which function is responsible for it. Insta alerts, no. Custom GIF, no. Utils, yeah. Inside utils there should be streamer bot, yes, and there should be likes, but this is the one I'm not seeing in my list. So I'm sure I might have accidentally deleted it. That's the best bet. There's likes. What is the music? The music. I hope that's the right one, and we just have this one. I have added the action. Let's confirm whether things are working fine or not. I'm going to like from my other account. I do have other accounts, so if that works, then we should be seeing an animation. 1, 2, 3. I didn't like it. I'm liking it now. Nope, not working. What happened? What happened? Did I not have the overlay? Did I just remove it for some reason? Oh. Oh, this is the problem. It doesn't have me dancing to it. It shows black screen for some reason. I'm in my overlays. I do not see my thing. Is it surrounded by something? Happy dance here. What is this one? Oh, it's not the likes. It is the happy dance. My bad. A kind soul who wants to drop a like so that I can see if things are working on it. Can anyone like my stream? Please. I don't have any other accounts. Do I have any other? I do have one last account, but I would like you guys to like my stream one time. Even now it's still not working. What's the problem now? It does say capital likes. What? I do have capital likes. Okay. Oh, the board itself is stuck. No worries. We can proceed forward. Looks like these are expected. I'll keep this aside. So in the Python it says this invalid sequence. Couldn't it not find the FFmpeg or something like that? Good though. I do have all of those installed. I do see the lines, but I do not see the video. Does it? Oh, it didn't save at all. I'm not getting any sound in my gaming PC. No clue if something got wrong in there. Or... We can see this is my IP address. That's what I'm using. It should be connected to this one. Yeah, just to make sure if I have the right audio connected. Yes. Is my Elgato at full length? Yes. And why is it not working? Let me play some music if that's the better test case. Okay, that thing is working. I'm not getting any sound. Why aux? Oh, it's bus A2, so change it to bus A1. What is it? It's using bus A1. Not getting it. Oh, my IP address is... Wait. My IP address is wrong. Does it mean something? It says errors. Let me confirm my IP address, please. Terminal IP config. It's stored in. That's fine. That's fine. Stream PC. Stream PC to. That's my IP. What is in that? Maybe I have a wrong IP in here. Two 190. Okay, IP from this one. This, yeah, that's the. Does it have that one? I wish it shows me what's the error instead of. Does it mean it's working or? Working, okay. Okay, something's better than that. I got the audio system working fine. Let's focus on things which matters instead of all the other things. Okay, what's the issue here? It says syntax warning. What? Definitely a version issue. Imagine this. Let's not post to the Instagram yet. Chosen file 5 months ago. Oh, this is no longer needed. Delete. should get all the information from that. Where is that image IO FFmpeg? Maybe I didn't really install it. I don't see any errors, but I don't see any output as well. But I do not want to have like an API system. So let's close all these. So the Golang itself would call this function, this Python code, as if it's a straightforward Python function. That's it. But how can I, will I get a response? If a Golang is calling a Python, oh, how can I call a Python function in a Golang function? I would want the return type, return data as well. You'll need to integrate Go and Python. Most common ways to use os.execute. Okay. Print result, call the Python function. How is it calling it? Capture the output, convert the output to an integer. Go Python binding generates a C Python external. Is it possible to call Python libraries within Golang and binding for a Python module? Calling Python from Go is detailed recently in Python and Go gRPC. Tools like programming languages tend to solve problems they are designed to. You can use a knife to tighten a screw, but it's better to use a screwdriver. Plus, there is a less chance of you getting hurt in the process. The Go programming language shines at writing higher throughput services, but Python shines when using for data science. Is a remote procedure call framework from Google. It uses protocol buffer as a serialization format, uses HTTP2 as a transport medium. Outliner detection. Defining messages and services. Maybe I'm better off just, as an API. That would be much easier. Flask run. Is it Flask or Flask run? No clue, honestly. Okay, the server is up. That's nice. We can just use this to connect the Golang server. Where is the damn main function? The main is here. This is public, this is media, and then reach. Where are the routes? Okay, routes is in API routes. Deals, it's a post method. Yes, post deal. We reach this point, and after this we go to the automation ID. We call this function. I no longer need this, so fine. And then what if text application bytes, body bytes? Send request to fetch deals. Is this the one I'm doing? Yeah, fetch deal push method. Yep. Once I have it, it would return something. Do request if error null, and then fine. If not, just forget about it. It's basically a post and forget. And then we have the captions. Fine. And we use this to post it to the outside world. Waiting for it to spin up, it's taking too long. I have my Python ready, I have my backend ready. So all I have to do is make a request. And I forgot how to make the request to the Golang server, obviously. In the main, it's basically an endpoint. I think I have like a violent monkey or something like that. Movie amazon.n. No. Okay, I have that one working fine, so I'll pull this one. So we can see the site is working. Do I not have the code? Let me get that code from here. Okay, let's pin it. How can I pin it to toolbar? Okay, now if I open any product, let's say this one, I should see that script turning fine, and then I press copy deal. From here the things change. Press copy deal and it should be opening my front end. Come on. Admin. That's the one I have. Am I getting a server or something? Connecting to superbase? Nothing. Oh, I think it's going to the wrong API. Okay, frontend API.ts. How can I tell it to open another API instead of this one? Let it refresh. Is it already refreshed? Still not working. Why? This 404 not found. Is it even calling the API request? Admin auth. This is the problem. Okay, so yeah, firstly I think I need to work on the front end first. Okay, fetch. How did I do it? App.tx. When I post the trigger automation, API token. How am I getting the API token? Yeah, so this is the main function for it. So I'm just going to call these and put it somewhere here. Admin route, and here it should be, let's set it as a function or something. Fetch events. No, this is not all. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Every time I call this function, something should be changed. Reset events, nice, and then we get fetch events. Yeah, okay, so we have to kind of do a login then. Okay. What is the best way for this? What is the best way for this? So in front end, we have like 2 pages, one for user, the other one is for admin, and is it here? Let's put it here. So first, the idea is to have like a login page, and once the login is successful, we can move forward. That's the idea. Or else we can just let it stay as it is. We can deal with that later. So we have app.tx. Where's admin route? All these, and it should say is admin. Props. Who is sending is admin props? Now I got it. Okay. Basically, I have to set it somewhere here. So inside my front end, I copy this one, paste it here. We get the image and the price, etc. This is where I don't know if it works fine. I press start automation, fail to trigger automation. Why? Did it actually reach this front end? Yep, looks like it did. It is unauthorized. It says unauthorized. Yep, message is unauthorized. Okay, so I don't know. Now we are not providing the API token. The app.tsx, where is the HTML? That out for now. Okay, so we press start automation. Events, far so good. Last count use 0, posted messages, deals done, status code 0, sending webhook. I don't think that would work, so make should be triggered. So if we go to the the database, what is the database? What database am I using? Superbase. I just want to see if the data has been stored. If it's stored, how is it being stored? I do see one. I do see one. Oh, better. Okay. I do see the value, so it's stored in the JSON. Fine. Just pick it and paste it outside. We go back to duplicate tabs. This one. Where is the... Each child should have a key prop. User, where's the pages, user and deals? We get this one, and key is deal ID. Yes. Am I not saying something, or these guys are saying something else? Oh, okay, this we see it in the deals JSON. It should be. It shouldn't. This is not how it is. So it's an array. Okay, for each data. Const temp equals to something, and then temp dot push element dot deal. What is it? Deal JSON. Just satisfy the TypeScript for now. I'll fix those things later. You know, log element. What am I getting in here? Can I have it to the right side, please? Better. Okay, I see object and it has deal ID and JSON ID. Then what's the problem? Perfect. Okay, and then it says, oh, that's how it should be. An object of deal ID, and it says this one. Why is it not working? Deal JSON. Maybe I can try deal JSON here. Yes. Did I parse it? Is that what it wants? JSON.parse. Oh, that's what it needs. Okay. Something is better than nothing. Got the deal image. I got that. Got this. Where is the other one? Price image. I think this is the one we are not using. Fine. I know that's not the best looking site, but it's working. Okay. So I push it from here. It goes from here. It goes from there. It goes from there. So where does the reel save? As you can see, I do not see any reels at all. Post looks good. The post image is looking good. But where's the... I totally forgot. Where am I even saving this? Okay, magic.com. Oh, I didn't install Magic. I don't want to use that. For now, let's post all these. Wants me to sign in. Is it still running? Uh, 83, is that the one? 83. No, this is something. I was thinking if I have a way to, instead of create a post instead of video, and it like add module, Instagram for business, create a photo post, carousel post, get post. It's doing its thing. Okay, and then photo URL, that's all it wants. Photo URL. Okay, all I'm sending is the real URL, not the photo URL. What I'm going to do is in the front end, where is it? Output env Golang. Okay, database main API post deal here. In while sending to the make, where is it sending request? Photo URL. I don't know where the URL is. So we might need to do that one more time then. For posting, I think it should be working fine. Get photo, something like that. That's fine. JSON. Should probably call it like what? Photo URL. Fine, fields fine, that's fine. Okay, and inside get real, do I have this function somewhere? Yep, same here. We're going to do get photo or something, and we do this. Inside here we go to the output, we get the automation ID, we do this, and then we are going to get case path reels. I don't think we have a reels inside them. We can directly go to the output We go to the post and we see post.png. Modify this to get a post.png file within the path. There won't be a real path. I don't know if it can understand me. So did it do its thing? Okay, base path and automation ID. Yeah, base path output and then automation ID, and inside that we just see post. What is needed? So it's going to upload that post. So I totally forgot parse JSON edit. It would have one more property which should be called as photo URL. There's no need a type. I don't know. Yeah, it should be text. Default value required now. Save. Here it should just be photo URL. That's it. Captions. I don't know. Do I have captions? It looks like I already have captions. Map, user tag and location ID. I don't know. Save. How can I like break this off? Wait a minute. Okay, so yep, that should be, and then unlink from here. This should be here. Yep, that's it. The idea. Move it far away from that. It's going to just post it. Going to continue the game. I don't know if that worked. So let me see. I think we are getting a lot many views if we just go server database. What is the description? API post reel. That's fine. Yeah, for links visit the use. Okay, that will take them to the main page and they can look at it. I think a reel would give us a lot more. I ran out of water. Perfect timing. I'm also feeling thirsty. Okay, let's wrap this up. So far looks okay. It's just the reel generation is a bit tricky. due to all this setup. I don't think many would. This is making it hard to maintain. How can I use a simpler package and make it work instead of complex one? I need less dependencies and more easy to maintain. OpenCV2 image and yeah. Do it. Do I not have the real generation for some reason? It's still here. I cannot find a specified path. Music.ami. Okay, this is the problem. Did it fix its thing? I have no idea. Okay. Deals looks like fine. Can I bloody run this? Main dir. Okay, I don't think I need a main dir. Do I have it, main dir? Yeah, there is no such thing as main dir. Okay, that's good. So far so good. Python uv run real.py. Oh, looks like it's just simple now. Why didn't I get an error before? Automation ID and audio path none. I don't know an automation ID. Okay, no error so far. E image not found. E. Let's create a bunch of images, man. Oh, there is reels. What is this one? So the ID is this one, this one, this one, this one. It would not post my things anytime soon, but it would just work fine. Okay, reel is created. Curious if it actually worked. Okay, error loading the file. Probably something caused an issue. Where should I see it? Okay, here, Python output reels. Looks good to me. Yeah, that is genius. Just the audio. I already have the audio, so maybe we can just revert the change we made here. far so good. Okay, the reel is being created. It's a good sign. The audio will be automatically assigned to it. Also good. Who's that? Reel is posted. You get the reel link. That should be on its own. No worries. Then what? Is this private or a bit? It's a private repository. Something, yeah, history. I need to. Where is the git history? Git. I might need the git. Okay, in here we need to add star whatever. free. This looks fine. Front end, I have, this is where the confusion is. Looks fine too. Okay, let's see what it has to do. I thought there should be a GitHub folder somewhere here. Deploy? No. Where is it? Documents, no. Pictures, downloads. Open it and see. It's right inside documents. We have GitHub and auto. Okay, inside documents, but I don't see it. Oh, probably this is not the documents. This one. Yes. Oh. It's the what is that? Oh, output log was the only thing which changed. So we go here, deploy, and I think all I have to do is just run this. Different, okay. So I kind of forgot inside here. Deploy, okay, and how should I run this? Deploy. Full saves, no, already up to date. Then what? What is this one? Maybe I might need to do this. Can I see if it's working or not? The server is up, this should work fine. If it's not working, then this is not turned on. Let's try opening the GitHub. What do you mean I don't have? It's right here. Totally forgot about my zero trust or worker for platforms. Where is it? Compute, probably workers and pages. Amazon Auto. Manage deployment. How is it even being deployed? Build settings, empty stock, project settings. I did push my changes, so A78, A78, A78. No.
Good day to you.
What was that? Doesn't it have? Did I not push it? I did push it. So why is it not taking it? Settings, manage. Alright. Am I in the wrong branch for some reason? I'm in the main branch. Maybe my user profile is different. Okay, now it found the right commit ID. Okay. Oh, this is the problem. It did find a new one, but looks like it's broken. Zero trust. We go and change this URL to something else. We have here zero home tunnel side top edit Amazon deals.blazingbrain.com. This goes here. Maybe we can just put a redirect in my code, so whenever this URL reaches this point, it would just redirect to something else. This is the backend. Backend remains the same. Amazon Auto, blazingbrain.com. Save. But in the front end, we need a different path. Even in the integration, we must URL. I don't think there is anything to change here. Okay, and then in the Python version, Amazon Auto, we don't find any. Nothing. And then inside the front end, deals is deals to Amazon Auto. That's fine. And this front end will be Amazon Amaze deals. Okay. Amaze Auto. Okay, and then this should be changed to the back. Workers and pages. Auto. We gotta change this. Some domain settings. Initializing. I don't know if it's pointing to the it's not working. Why? Will fail. What does it say? What? Wait, clear button. Friend. Maybe having no emit on error equals to true entries. Locally, your editor or build tools may be set to ignore. Check and see what I can do. This option can cause Typescript to treat unused variable parameters as errors, which will be failed. Okay. may enforce these as strictly. So shouldn't I? Should I? I should get these errors in local as well. Which file is it in? Deal admin route.ts. But I don't see any errors. How can I get these errors in VS Code as well? I don't want to run this time. Did I only see yellowish lint warning, but not as an error?
Good day to you. Yeah, we must all these. So far so good. Let's see if we have any new builds in progress. I shouldn't be getting any other errors. Okay, looks like no issues. A success, but I still see old. Much better guys, much better. So this is completely using the backend now. We don't need any front-end changes. Getting the data from the backend and it's populating it. Wonderful. Wonderful, but why do I have a delete option here? So we must change it to something else. Okay. Yeah, let's deal with the front end now. Let's fix this UI. All these things are working fine. Go to the localhost. We no longer need admin. Okay, so yeah, let's close the Python. We don't need backend. Do I need backend? No, we don't need backend. And in the front end, all we need to do is, what do we need to do? Yeah, TS. Yeah, maybe it's better to save it so that I don't have to ping my backend to back and forth. The object, all I have to do is what? So what's happening here? Did I not save it? Stupid. Where is the just and close it and then come front end. So here we might need to do this. What is it? In the deals page, user deals, we no longer need the delete button. Delete that. Give me a good looking UI for a dark mode-ish. And yeah, let's go step by step. So far so good. Copy object. So instead of making like API requests too often, we can just not do it. Oh, that's a big thing. Yeah, looks working fine. Okay, the title needs to be worked on. There is a title. Title is way too big. Drop it to max 2 lines and decrease the font size as well. And make sure if it's more than 2 lines have, but in the title it should have full title. Now by the time that we'll be doing it, much better. Okay, and yeah, so far so good. View deal, yep, instead of that one we need a button. Make it a button and place it towards the end. It should open in a new tab. Did it do it? What did it do? I don't know. It looks bad. I have like a button, whitish and dark text. No divs. I didn't scroll. What are you doing now, Manish? I'm so sorry. Hello, bhai. I came from your stream few days ago and just wanted to let you know I got placed, but now I'm struggling with starting open source contribution as I focused on DSA only. Congratulations, firstly, that you got placed. Show my face. What is the thing you want me to help? I have no idea. So you want to contribute in open source while you're focusing on DSA only. So you want to do something meaningful. So how
good are you working with a big project. If you're still learning, there is a site called Up for Grabs. You can visit this, select your favorite language, and you can pick one of the repositories. Or else, if you're already using an open source project and you feel like a feature is missing, you can try it. I would like to build one app where this is an Android, let's say. Currently, imagine that we got an Android phone. We use a Reddit, Twitter, whatever we have. We type some things inside the keyboard. I want to select all those, and the moment I select it all, I should see an option like AI write or something. The catch is this button should communicate with my local running. I would be doing port forwarding and all those. Olama. Yeah, you can change the screen. Type exclamation screen and it would make it big. The control is more on your side rather than mine. Try it. Just type exclamation screen. I'll stay silent until you do it. So good. What is it? Why does it have like a border? Is it? Wonderful. So yeah, this is what I was saying to you. So imagine an Android phone here. Okay, this is an Android phone. We are typing something. Once I'm done typing, I would like to select all those. And the moment I select, we should be seeing a lot more options like select all, cut, copy, paste. And towards the end or somewhere, we need to see an option fix with AI or do something with AI. And then it should, the moment I press it, it should take that text to my locally running Olama. I would be handling all the port forwarding stuff like that, and it would rephrase all those text and put it back here. I found some apps which are already doing it, but they are paid and they would be using ChatGPT in the background, something like that. But I don't want to pay for ChatGPT. I want to use my own LLM running in the local. That would be brilliant for me. I don't know if there is a project like that, but if you're interested, try it. If not, just go to this site, Up for Grabs, pick your favorite language. What language do you really love? C++? Type C++ and you should see a lot of repositories where they are asking help for newcomers. Hi Jigdeep, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I'm fine dude, nothing fancy. So also I was advised to learn Golang before joining for intern. Oh, cool. So Golang really shines at throughput, where you're handling bunch of requests. So yeah, start with basics first. There are some critical mindsets behind Golang where you need to learn. Capital casing, it's a much more it's fully functional programming. There is no classes and stuff like those. So if you are coming from Java, then it would be a bit different, but it still works the same. The types say it's strictly typed, but it's not as good as Typescript. In Typescript we can have like interfaces, we have types, it's much more mature. But in Go it's like, okay, this object is this, that's it. You cannot extend it, you cannot do much more complicated than stuff like that. If you want to extend it, you have to create a new one, stuff like those. Roadmap sh, let me see roadmap sh. Let me see what backend related roadmaps. Okay, why use Go, data types, commands and docs, array strings, maps, structs, loops, functions, pointers, methods and functions, interfaces, packages, using third-party packages. These are fine. I don't know about these. Oh, these are the ones where Golang is really important. So you are handling networks stuff. I don't know about this context package, testing and benchmarking, building CLI tools. This, are you learning it? Those look like this guy is learning it. I'm not learning like Go and stuff.
Yeah, they're like basic commands. The more you use it, you definitely get them into your memory. So the thing is, these are pretty basic from the first. These are pretty basic. Once you start, pointers is not that complicated in Golang. It's simple. There are only three types at max. The problem arises from this section. I will start learning it since I had to learn ML for first final year project. You're doing ML in Golang? Also Python secret. Okay, no worries. Which other languages you learn other than Python? What are you really good at? If you're good at Python, no problem. But what is the other language you are okay other than Python? Do you know Typescript? So which one is more important to you? Do you want to learn Golang or do you want to learn machine learning? If you want to learn machine learning, I would suggest to continue with Python. So if Golang is your priority, then yeah. So if for Golang and machine learning, there are tons of packages, man. Oh, ML is just for final year, so forget about it. You can deal with it with any other languages. So from this section, deadlines and cancellation, common use cases, this is where the true Golang stuff comes in. IO, handling IO, there is this atomic operations. You rarely use them, but they are really helpful in handling how CPU exactly processes Boolean values. Forget about web development on this side, but you can go with this one. gRPC is a wonderful thing. If you are good at Golang, they would assume that you are comfortable with gRPC. So if you want to learn Go, you have to learn gRPC. These are just packages for logging. I would just use a default package. I haven't really done much extensive logging yet. So real-time communication, I didn't use this. I would normally stick with WebSockets and server-side events. Not much big fan of the ORMs and PGX. We use PGX. We don't use Go ORM. We use PGX. PGX is much more mature and it works fine. What are all these? Quality, I don't really write test cases for my own code, so I never really used any of this. Code generations, I don't know why air was not mentioned, but try to use it. There is go build command where you can build. Let's assume you're writing your code in Windows. By using go build, you can build your code for Linux or for Mac OS as well. That's really helpful. Yeah, go run, go build, go install, go fmt mod, I don't know, test. Go clean is really helpful. Go version is not normal. So memory management in depth. Have you made any Python projects? Yes. My AI editor is Python. What are other ones? My AI editor is Python, but the Amazon Auto has a helper function which are written in Python, like generating images and generating reels. And what are other things? My AI bot was initially written in Python, but then moved to Golang and TypeScript, but it was written in Python before. But yeah, I haven't done much into AI and ML. I use AI, but never really done machine learning or data science. Not my taste. Actually, I'm asking because I used to do npm info, but I searched poetry. Oh, I did use poetry a lot before. So poetry is much better than the default one, but I stopped using poetry and I moved to UV Python packager, and I didn't go back. It works wonders. It is much better than poetry, much better than the stupid pip Python package. So yeah, proceed with UV. There are hardly 5 commands you need to learn. UV install, UV add, UV cache, and
If there is some package where UV doesn't understand how to install, you can still use pip install. So you can just go to, it's created by Rough. Astral is the company which also created Rough. Works wonders, man. See, its poetry was much better. Like, I used poetry for almost 2 to 3 years, but the moment I started using UV, I never looked back. Poetry struggled when I was using Tinker and TUI related projects, but this one works fine. Automl file, yeah, that's how I have it. Oh, let me open my Python. So in my coding AI editor, this is the video processor, which is a sub project, but it's an AI editor. So UV lock, we don't really do much in this. The only thing we truly care about this project. So we can see there are some packages missing here, but if I cannot install them with UV because it would replace the original ones which are installed in the, what do you call, Windows sublevels. I can demonstrate that to you. So you see this pip install. I need to specifically install this torch for CU124, but I cannot do that in UV. Much better than requirements.txt. I have lost multiple projects because of that stupid txt, but this one is just superior. You don't really need anything better than this. Just start using it. I use this for this project and my other bunch of Lambda functions in AWS, and also I don't call those AWS Lambdas as projects because they are just Lambdas. But Amazon Auto, it's UV again. We can see, where is it, UV. It has its own virtual environment. We can set the Python version. It also downloads the Python version for you so that you don't have to download it and place it here. It's much easier. But the moment when you want to do something more advanced, so imagine for this project, I would like to use this version of my PyTorch, but I cannot install Torch CU124 in UV because according to its registry, something like this, in requirements.txt you can write torch equals to, what is it, CU124, let's say 2.60 plus CU124. This is valid in requirements.txt, but if I do the same in YAML, whatever it is, something like this, it fails because it doesn't understand this syntax. So all these weird edge cases, I would normally do a pip install because that works fine, no issues. For simpler projects, UV is totally fine. I don't really feel any reasons for me to move away from UV. So far it worked wonders. Did I change something here? What is it? What else? Rest are all fine. I don't think I need to do this. Discard changes, add to git ignore. Fine. Alright, any last questions, guys? I would like to go to sleep. Tomorrow I got work to do. So far this looks fine. It's just we need to modify this. Why is it in this mobile view? Oh, it's just the page itself is like that. Why is the width too small for this? Oh, if I have more and more things, maybe that would work fine. Yeah, just remove the stupid background. Looks good. Yeah, that's it. Okay, this needs to be in center. Where is the button? Okay, there should be a top margin, top. Fine. Poop. So far so good. Let's see the deployment stuff now. I don't know if it works fine or not. I don't even know if it's actually deployed or it's not deployed. Close down this Visual Studio Code. It takes a lot of RAM. Where is the... Do I have the terminals open? Don't think the terminal... Oh, I do see a few terminal sessions, so let me close all those. Okay. So instead of background, I want them to be open. Instead of opening in the background, how can I have the terminal open? Nulls and the servers running, and I can see them, and yeah, that's fine. You can understand. Do you have the servers running the terminal actually? Okay. Activate the environment and run the Flask directly in the terminal and they'll go okay. Just Flask. I want the output for the Go server as well. Might not be working. Run with PowerShell. I don't know. Okay. Looks like it's running. Like this thing is running. So, but how can I confirm whether it's running or not? Maybe I should have had the backend root. Amazon auto. This is different. What is Amazon auto pointing to? So Amazon Auto and Amazon Auto blazingmail.com. This is the... yeah, that's fine. Okay, then what is... how is it Amazon Auto? It should be Maze Deals. Did I not change it? Yeah, subdomains. Where is the custom domain? Maze Auto. Yeah, this one needs to be... if this is this one, then what is the DNS we have?
Okay, looks like that's a wrong idea. Cloudflare, where is the zero trust? 0, 0, 0, 0. Zero trust. Home.dashboard. Network tunnels. We go to Asus laptop. Edit. List app routes. So it says Amazon Auto blazingman.com. What? So that's the backend. Okay. We have to change these records. Amaze deals. Just remove it. I'll add it manually one more time. Custom domain. It says amaze deals.domain.com. Continue. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, Amazon deals is pointing to the right side. Now we need to just point the Golang server to the other one. I'm sure I created something like main. Where is the main? Stupid main. Main.go. And we have the app routes. Inside the app routes, we should see. Do I not have? Yeah. Hello. Working find boss. That's the one I had. Or maybe I didn't update the middleware. Where is the main.go? Yeah, I have it. Probably we need to fix that one first. Okay. Then we refresh. It's highly possible that the server is not running. You know what? Let's just run it manually. I give up. Maybe I need to build it first. Yeah. Did it build something? Is this the one which it built? I have no idea. Maze.deal. Okay. Maze.deal.exe. Pull that in. Pull that in. Pull that in. Pull that in. Stash. What do you mean? Merge config. Stupid merge. Why would there be a merge conflict? How can I like pull? Okay, seems good so far. Okay, cd go server. Okay, now let's see if I have that one. I have it. Oh, this is the wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, in here. Okay, apply it. This is working. So let's now see the backend. 3000. Okay, so indicating that's the server we need to use. Let's go to the laptop. Let's say we delete this. Okay. Does it say no DNS record was made? Delete. Okay. Then we say add publish is auto. Host 3000. Okay. Fully created. Here failed to load views. Okay, cannot find the file specified. Is there any other one? Wait, there are. Which is the one? Is auto, yeah. What? It says fail to render. Why would it try to render? Views. There is no views anymore, dude. I still have it. Fiber, media, output. Is it running or is it not running? I think it's running. Okay, so CLS. Let me remove all this one. Delete and other DXC deletes. Delete the temp folder too. I don't need it. And then go build. It created the Amaze deal, so that's what I am expecting. What did it do? This is working fine here. Okay, so try it by pushing this one. Oh, what is this one? Done. Looks like that's done. Okay. Okay, the cloud version is working fine. All I gotta do is now deploy this one. Terminal, and you know what, delete this env. I don't know when did I create this 611. uv run may not go. How can I install uv? Install uv. For Windows, please. PowerShell. Okay, let's do this. PowerShell. I'm running in my laptop, so obviously this would be different looking. Do it quickly. Hey, what? It's 12 a.m. or 1 p.m.? What is the time? It's 12. It's installed. Cool. Does it have UV now? Okay, UV run may not go. Doesn't matter. I just want that to install all these things. Torch is fucking heavy, but we don't need it. I'm going to remove it soon. We're not using torch anymore, I guess. Sorry about it. Did I make some changes here? When did I add this? Still doing its things, okay. We can remove a lot of packages. We're not really using all those. We are no longer using MoviePy. Do we remove unused dependencies or packages? Okay. Let's see. Where's parsec? Okay, and then terminal. We should be getting an error. Still downloading. Where is the terminal file? It's on version my project. Yep. So here we can remove much packages. Come on, do your thing quickly. Okay, now it should be venv scripts activate. Is it Flask? Come on, come on, come on, Flask one. So that's what it should be. It says image not found. Okay, and there should be an import failure. What is it from? Do you mean create simple? Okay, looks like there are a bunch of fixes needs to be made. I'm back. Who is it? Hey, Jagdeep. Welcome back. I'm about to stop the stream. It's almost past 12. Yeah, things needs to be fixed. I need to remove this temporary code. Also, fix the package imports. I need to remove unused packages. There are a lot of work to be done. No problem. We can do this later. Okay. Jagdeep, as you're here, if you're still here, can you drop a like so that I can confirm if the animation is working fine or not? I already liked with all my accounts. I asked you for something, please. Yeah, after confirming whether it's working or not. Yeah, I see the like increased, but I do not see the animation. You have the animation name right here, actions. I manually triggered it. Should it be small letter instead of capital? I don't know. Party. We'll see tomorrow. I'll fix this. Alright. Thanks for the like. Thanks for even whatever likes it is. I'm going to sleep now. Until then, you guys tomorrow.